I'm on my way to St. George, Utah, which is a 4-hour drive because I want to have my grandma teach me how to sew. So let's see how it goes. I found this 1950s vintage pattern at Walmart and I thought the apron was so cute, so that's what we're going to be making today. My grandma told me that the first step was to cut out all of these pieces, so that's what we're doing here. Okay, we have our first piece, but we have to cut this. It says cut on fold, so we have to cut it on this fold. And then we're just gonna pin it and then we're gonna cut it out, and this will be our first piece. I have a plaid material and it might look a little bit wonky because I'm trying to figure out how to match them, but like I said, it's my first time. This is also my first time cutting this, so I'm scared because if I mess this up, I don't know what happens. I'm left-handed, so scissors are hard sometimes. I always thought I was a weirdo because I couldn't cut right, but it's just because I'm left-handed. We have these two pieces cut out now, and now we have to do the pocket. So we're gonna make sure that the fabric lines up with this so that it's still flowing when we cut out the pocket. Okay, now they're lined up so that they'll keep matching when we have our pocket, and then we're gonna pin it to the fabric and cut it out, and we have to cut 2 of them. We now have to cut out all the green pieces, and these will be for the trim of the apron, and then we're gonna start sewing. I finished the panels, so now there's a little pocket and put the little trim on here. Okay, and then we'll just pin these together and then we'll sew them together, and then the apron portion will be done. I'm making sure to match the lines up when I pin so that it keeps that cohesive pattern going along. A little guide on here, and it helps me set up the 5/8 inch seam so I know where to sew. And I'm new, so it's kind of hard to sew straight. Some of my lines have been crooked. Some of them are straight sometimes. Okay, at this point, I'd learned what binding tape was, and I made it and I applied it, and that was so hard. And then we just had to put the straps on to the apron, and it's almost done. It's a cute little apron.